Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this incredible Lexus ES 300h 2.5 E-CVT. Now this vehicle has currently done 43,326 miles and it's finished in the colour Atomic Silver. It does come with full Lexus service history, it has been well maintained and it sits nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. This Lexus also features keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle much easier. In the boot you'll find 454 litres of space. You have a nice wide opening so you can get things in and out with ease. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you'll find your gorgeous beige leather interior. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured and for peace of mind. The leather interior complements the exterior colour nicely. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. You've got a sunroof up top which is perfect for those sunny days. Your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat thanks to the full electric adjustment. On the steering wheel here you've got some infotainment controls along with controls for the trip display in the instrument cluster. To the right you'll find your radar cruise control along with your lane departure warning system you can turn on and off there. In the instrument cluster you do have a very nice digital display. You can access different information here to the left. You have your driver assist features including your lane assist, pre-collision warning system. You also have your parking sensors as well as additional access to vehicle settings. You also have information, your navigation, audio. Up top you do have your different driving modes. These change the dials so you know which mode you're in. You have your sport, normal and eco mode which change the vehicle's performance and handling, allowing you to enhance your driving experience. At the top of the dashboard you'll find your infotainment screen. Now this is controlled using the touchpad here in the center console along with your home menu and back button. On the system you do have access to DAB radio. There is also FM and AM as well as USB auxiliary input, CD player and Bluetooth for playing your own music. Moving on now, on the system you also have your phone menu where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. You do have navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to new places with ease. On your apps menu here you can access the Lexus online with the in-car as well as your smart device link. The vehicle does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also have your energy monitor there. You can see it with the hybrid system along with trip information and your trip history. In your setup you can see different system and even vehicle settings available to you. You can adjust features such as your Bluetooth telephone connectivity. You also have a reverse camera along with front and rear sensors to make parking much easier. On the display you also have access to your dual zone climate control with physical controls there just below the display. Keeping you warm on those colder days you do have heated front seats. In the centre here you do have a cup holder along with your USB and auxiliary input. Your automatic gear selector there as well. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.